We're here at Creative Business Models for Accountants Conference, Miami 2023. We got folks coming from across the world, interacting and sharing their unique points of views, networking, brainstorming, and coming up with ways to elevate their business so they can better serve their customers.
The energy and the ideas and the excitement around this conference have been phenomenal.
Miami's great. Just the whole vibe around here is awesome. It's not just a bunch of accountants getting here and just talking shop all day.
Although we're in Miami, there's a bunch of people here from all over the place. It's a really international event. But what's really distinct and unique is the Latin culture is strong here.
We're building unique workshop-style exercises that challenges them to mastermind and think about creatively outside the box how they can differently position themselves so that they can stay ahead of the AI and technology challenges that are coming down the pike. We're so excited to have speakers like Chris Do, Hector Garcia, Ron Baker, coaches like Vanessa Vasquez, Doug Sleater, and incredible thought leaders in the space coming together, bringing our minds together so we can find a way to revolutionize and elevate our business.
I'm here, we're about 10 minutes in, and we're doing this brainstorming exercise to disrupt business models and ways of thinking. And if you didn't know any better, you would think you're in a room of strategists, designers, developers, but you're actually in this room of almost all accountants. So I'm super excited to see what they come up with.
One of the things that makes us different than any other conference that we've been to is that we have round tables and workstations and stickies and ideas just going everywhere about what we want to do.
All of the speakers have been phenomenal. It's always great hearing from Hector, Ron Baker, Chris, such great ideas.
You can't get to that next disruptive model if you just market to the same people. So you have to think totally out of the box.
This Chris Do, this marketing guy, gave me 8 ideas I can implement right away today into my business.
You're in a box right now and you need to get out of it, and the only way that you can do that, as far as I know, is to invest in yourself. Conferences, workshops, books, videos. Invest in yourself and create that kind of transformation that you desire.
I'm glad I came. Oh my God, it's amazing. We spent 2 days working on our businesses, not in our businesses, but on our businesses. Sitting around on my table, talking about a whole bunch of things that we could do to implement in our business. It's been amazing.
Definitely come next year. I know I'll be here.
I'm coming next year. I already paid for it. I hope to see you all.
I got so much out of this conference, and I think a lot of people should find out about the creative business models for accountants. Come on down here next year.
We will definitely be looking at bringing the team back next year. If you need a conference to go to, this is the place to be.